It has been a hot minute since I cleaned this basement. Honestly, I am super embarrassed to show you, but here we go. We're headed down. We're going to clean the basement. We have guests staying with us this weekend. So I'm doing a complete deep clean of the basement, getting the bedroom nice, getting the sheets washed. I'm not going to do the couch slip cover because it really didn't look that bad. The ottoman cover did look terrible, so I am washing that. It's so nice to have a place where the kids' toys can all be, and like we can have this big kitchen for them to play with. We don't have a toy room, so this is kind of like our toy room slash living room area. A while back, I started organizing their toys in these clear buckets. So for instance, in this clear bucket right here is the dental kit set. So when they're playing with it, they obviously mix up toys and everything. But when I go to clean, or when they go to clean, honestly, they should be the ones that are cleaning. But anyways, today I want it done. They know that all the dental stuff goes in one bucket, all the play food goes in another bucket, and it's just easier to keep everything organized. I got these at Walmart, but of course you can go to Target, probably even Dollar Tree, anywhere. This makes it easier for them to find things also, like when they have friends over to play, they can just grab the buckets and play. And then my hope is that they put everything back into the bucket and then put it away, and that way everything stays organized. I'm so embarrassed to say that this bathroom has not been cleaned in a while, probably 3 months. And my husband does shower down here. So that is embarrassing for me to say that, because I should be down here cleaning it more often than I have. But this is a good excuse to come down here and get to cleaning. I brought down my multi-purpose cleaner. It's just my thieves and water. And that is what I use to spray down everything. Then I just use this glass cleaner, which I absolutely love. I think it works great. And then for the shower, I used my Pine Sol mop water. And then for the toilet, I just poured a little bit of the Fabuloso, the purple one. And I don't usually like to clean with all these chemicals, and honestly it just gives me a headache, but we were having people stay with us and I wanted it to smell clean. So even with the Thieves multi-purpose cleaner, it does smell clean. I mean, it's clean, but you know what I mean. You know that just like walk into a hotel smell clean, that kind of clean is what I was looking for. So that's what I use this time. And I'll go back and forth. I use cleaners that are probably not the cleanest, cleaners like Fabuloso. Probably it's not the best, but I do use those from time to time because I enjoy the scent sometimes, but I do try to do a more natural route when I can, especially on our countertops upstairs because we have food and stuff on that. So I do not use stuff like this on surfaces where we will have food. Oh my gosh, I at first cut that out and then I was like, you know what? I'm actually going to keep that in there just for giggles because what the heck? I was walking out of the bedroom with hands full of the sheets and totally fell over the bucket. So the bucket of mop water went everywhere and that was pretty embarrassing. So I kept that in there just for a good laugh. I have been on the hunt for a cabinet or a little table for underneath the TV over there. I've been searching thrift shops. I would really like an antique vintage wood one. That would be the best, and I feel like it would bring a lot of character here. This door right here leads into our little office area. We actually found that on the side of the road. Someone was throwing that out, and it's an old vintage door. Just gorgeous. We ended up refinishing it. We sanded it down, and then I just wanted it to stay bare wood. It turned out so gorgeous. Someone else's trash was definitely our treasure in that instance. Thank you so much for joining me for this basement clean with me. It definitely feels really sparkly down here.